This dance is called Words. It's a 40 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 2 tags and 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, rock to the side on the right, recover into a cross shuffle. Hinge half turn, so you're going to make quarter turn right, stepping back on that left, quarter turn right as you step the right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right. That set of steps once more then, side rock cross shuffle, half on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Step the left to the side, hold, on the and count, step the right beside the left. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Half a turn right as you step back on that left. Then shuffle yourself a further half a turn to the right, quarter, close, quarter. That set of steps once more then, side hold and side touch, half on the left. 7, 8, side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Now you have got the equivalent of 1 1/4 turns in this section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, start the same as everybody else with your side hold and side touch, quarter turn right. Then instead of making that half a turn right, step forward on the left. Instead of the half shuffle, shuffle forward on the right. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 1 1/4 turns out in that section. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Chassé to the left, but you're going to put a quarter turn on to start with. So a quarter turn, close side. Then add on a jazz box, quarter turn and step forward at the end. So you're going to cross the right over left, step back on that left, quarter turn right, step that left forward. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Add on a couple of kick ball points. So kick with the right, ball, point left to the side, repeat with the left, kick, ball, point the right to the side. Cross the right over the left, make quarter of a turn right as you step back on that left, rock back on the right, and recover. That set of steps once more then, kick, ball, point off on the right. 7, 8, kick, ball, point, kick, ball, point, cross, turn, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. Side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick, ball, point, cross, turn, back, rock. Shuffle half a turn to your left. quarter, close, quarter. Walk back, left, right, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left, pivot quarter turn right, cross that left over. That set of steps once more then. Half shuffle, off on that right. 7, 8, half shuffle, back, 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 rock, step, pivot, cross. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. Side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick ball point, cross, turn, back, rock. Half shuffle, back, 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 rock, step, pivot, cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. Side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick ball point, cross, turn, back, rock. Half shuffle, back, 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 rock, step, pivot, cross. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. Side hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick ball point, cross, turn, back, rock. Half shuffle, back, 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 rock, step, pivot, cross. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. Side and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick ball point, cross, turn, back, rock. Half shuffle, back, 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 rock, step, pivot, cross. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 tags and 2 restarts in this dance. Your tags come at the ends of walls 3 and 5. Your tag is quite simply a Monterey half turn. So at the end of walls 3 and 5, both of which are your 6 o'clock wall, you will be facing 3 o'clock, you do a Monterey half, point, half turn, point, close, and you restart the dance. Now for those of you who struggle with turns, you have got your step, pivot, quarter, cross at the end of the wall. It's a right turn. You then, on these tag walls, go into that half Monterey, which is another half a turn to the right. And then in that first section, you're also doing some right turns. So you may actually find there's too many right turns in close succession for you to be comfortable doing them. If that is the case, just turn your Monterey half into a Monterey half, but go in the opposite way, made up of 2/4 turns. So you can point the right to the side, turn a quarter left, as you bring the right beside the left. Point the left to the side, make a further quarter left, as you bring that left beside the right. So you still done your half a turn, but you've actually turned the opposite way, which should hopefully take that continual right turn out of the equation. So non-turning steps should you need to. So let's have a go. Wall 3 or 5, take your pick. It's your 6 o'clock wall. End of the wall, add on your Monterey half turn as your tag, restart. Here we go. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Side and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick ball point, cross, turn, back, rock. Half shuffle, back, 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 rock. Step, pivot, cross, tag, Monterey. Half, restart, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock. So hopefully you can see how those tags fit in. Ends of walls 3 and 5. Then you have your 2 restarts. So your first restart is on wall 6. So as soon as you've done that second tag, you know you are on wall 6. So wall 6 will be your 9 o'clock wall. You will dance 32 counts of wall 6 and restart. So 32 counts actually takes you to the end of your kick ball point section. So you do kick ball point, cross turn, back rock and restart. Let's try wall 6 up to that point. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Side, hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step. Kick ball point, cross, turn, back rock, restart, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. So that is your first restart point. 32 counts into wall 6. You then dance a full wall, you get into wall 8, which is where your second restart comes in. So wall 8 will be your 6 o'clock wall. On this one you dance 24 counts and then you restart. So you do not go into the kick ball points. You do that jazz box quarter turn step and restart at that point. Wall 6, 6 o'clock wall, wall 8, take you up to 24 counts and restart. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. Side, hold and side touch, turn, turn, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, back, turn, step, restart, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock. So that's your second restart point. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and your restart information. So your first 2 tags, half Monterey, end of walls 3 and 5, restart wall 6 after 32 counts, restart on wall 8 after 24 counts. Let's give it a go to bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, side, side touch, turn, turn, chasse, cross, back, turn, step, kick or point, cross, turn, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, step with a cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, cross, back, side, touch, turn, half shuffle, forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, back, turn, step, kick or point, cross, turn, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, step with a cross, side rock, should tag wall, side, touch, turn, half shuffle, forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, back, turn, step, kick or point, cross, turn, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, step with a cross, tag Monterey, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross, rock, side, touch, turn, half shuffle, forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, back, turn, step, kick or point, back, half shuffle, back, rock, step with a cross, your next tag wall, side, touch, turn, half shuffle, kick balls, half shuffle, tag, to restart wall, side, touch, turn, half shuffle, forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, back, turn, step, kick ball point, cross, turn, back rock, restart, side rock, side hold, forward rock, kick ball, half shuffle, side rock, next restart wall, side hold, forward rock, turn, chasse, restart, side rock, hope you managed that one.